So I'm driving in Surrey, British Columbia, Canada, and this is just one of the roads. It's not really a popular area.
Okay, 183, direct to 9 clear for takeoff runway 26 left.
It's not a road that is high traffic area, so it's kind of a hidden in a bush, is in a forest. And you see these nice looking houses, and you think, wow, looks nice. And I can tell you, if you go to UBC area, another famous place for expensive properties in the British Columbia or in the Vancouver area, most of houses are like that. You know, it's like a nice architecture, nice design. It's like not just some boxes. Like you see the regular average Canadian house, which is now probably valued at over $1 million, and you see these houses that are custom-made houses. And now I want to show you what's behind the makeup. You see, this is the way they design these houses, and they build these houses. And if you have a forest fire around, that type of fancy house is going to catch fire. So this is the average home, the Canadian home. You see the cheap type that was built about maybe 60 years ago. Just a box with a roof and some windows, like the basic design that gives you a comfortable living. And they are getting old. You see, that one is probably full of moss and see, require lots of maintenance, but they sell it, so people buy it when they are in a better shape, sell it. And you see these people who renovate houses, give the house another makeup, and nobody goes to check the foundation, the structure. You know, people look at the makeup, like you look at an older person who is posting a very old picture on their profile and maybe adds tons of makeup. So it's a very similar thing, and kind of a tricks played with housing market in Vancouver. And because of so much demand, so many fools, a property like that, so let's say this one sells for $2 million. One reason is because it's fancy, has a nice ocean bay view, and I can say this is not a durable, solid construction. It's something that I would never buy. Yeah, so all those buildings, all those homes are made out of wood structure. When you compare to Europe, Europeans have a tradition of designing long-lasting buildings. Even in my old town, like small town, I used to live in a mountain area. Only the poor people, cheap people, were building stuff out of wood structure, and actually lots of Muslims live here. I don't know who own these homes, these houses. Generally, Chinese buy lots of properties like that, resell, but it seems that this is a Muslim community, and this is a type of house with multiple rooms for big families, or to sub-rent. So I can't say what's inside, but lots of land and large building. So this is kind of a typical for East Indians to build large houses, because they have large families. They live together with parents. If they are Chinese or those areas, those people from Asia, most of them buy for status. So they buy a bigger house, resell it, use it as investment, or buy it for status, and half the house is empty. Yeah, so it's a really nice area. Nice views. It's quiet. That's a good thing. It's quiet. It's away from a large population and noisy places. But again, if you want something durable, then think about something else. Take care. Bye bye.